Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can adjust hue and saturation in CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created in CapCut, this one. Okay, and if we want to adjust the hue and the saturation, we can go to the adjust menu. Tap on the adjust menu right here, and then I'm going to adjust the saturation first. I'm gonna tap on the saturation and I'm going to increase it. Okay, I'm going to make it 50, and then if we want to adjust the hue, we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the hue option, this one. Then you will be able to adjust the hue right here. I'm just going to increase it as well, around 30. Okay, now it's done, and click on the check mark. But if you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on the reset button right here and you can readjust. And I'm just going to click on the check mark, and this is the result guys. Alright guys, and that's all the way to adjust hue and saturation in CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!